Hello, my wonderful friends. Today is a very special day. Today, we will be the two syllables words detectives. And now, my wonderful friends, I'm going to introduce you to my friend Oliver the detective. He's going to help us go through everything that we need to learn about today.
Hello, my young friends. I am a detective and I'm going to help you read all the words and divide them into syllables. Remember, my friends, we divide words into syllables to be able to write and read those words. Also, remember that a syllable will always contain a vowel. Do you remember what are the vowels?
Oh yes, Oliver, I remember the vowels. The vowels are letters that we all know. They are A, E, I, O, U. All my friends, I love you.
Oh yes, Ola, you are correct. Those are the vowels. But now, let's get into business. Our detective job, we have to look for words that have two syllables.
Oh, Oliver and all my friends, I'm so excited. But first of all, we have to look into our 3 lists of words. Our high-frequency words in the lemon list today are saw, want, before, other, help. Timmy used a saw to cut the dead branches. I want to go to school. Ferry looks both ways before crossing the street. Abdu has other plans for the weekend. Help is a word we use when we need support. The words in the melon list are parrot, willow, ballet. I'd like to have a talking parrot. White willow is very special. Ballet is my favorite type of art. Words in the honeydew list are weekend, window, picture, garden. I enjoy family gatherings over the weekend. Malik can see a bird over the window. Nadia captured a wonderful picture. Would you like to play with me in the garden?
That sounds very interesting. Now, Ola, it's time for our detective work. The first word we have here is parrot. It's parrot, parrot. Then we have the word willow, willow. And now, my friends, we have a very interesting word. The word is ballet, ballet. The T is silent. Be very careful.
Oliver, you made it so easy for me to understand. Thank you very much. I hope all my friends understood the lesson too.
Anytime, Ola. That was no problem.
All right, my lovely friends. I'll see you in our upcoming video.
If you like our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Instagram and like our Facebook page. Thank you.